Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use Google Sheets on Android phone. Here are the steps to use Google Sheets on your mobile phone. First, unlock your Android phone, open the Google Play Store, search for Google Sheets, and install the app. Open the Google Sheets app by tapping Open. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. Tap the plus button at the bottom right to create a new spreadsheet. Choose New Spreadsheet or choose Template. Name your spreadsheet by tapping on the three dots in the top right. Then tap the title at the top right. Then rename it. Tap OK to confirm. Now, tap on any cell to start entering data. Use the toolbar at the bottom for formatting, inserting rows, or adding formulas. Tap the plus at the top to insert charts, images, or comments. To share it, tap on the check mark on the top left, then tap the share to collaborate in real time. Tip: Google Sheets automatically saves your work, so you don't need to worry about losing data. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.